Understanding a close, near friend. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very special topic that's close to our hearts. What it means to have a close or near friend in English. These phrases are not just about physical proximity but speak volumes about the depth of a friendship. So, let's explore this together and make your English learning journey a bit more heartfelt. When we talk about a close friend, we're referring to someone with whom we share a deep, personal connection. This is a person who knows you inside out, supports you through thick and thin, and is there for you, no matter what. A close friend is more than just an acquaintance or a casual buddy. They are like family. The key elements that define a close friendship include trust, mutual respect, and a strong emotional bond. Interestingly, a near friend is not as commonly used as a close friend, but it can sometimes be found in literature or older English. It carries a similar meaning, emphasizing proximity in terms of relationship rather than physical distance. A near friend implies someone close to your heart, someone who holds a significant place in your life. The phrase underlines the intimacy and significance of the friendship. In everyday conversation, you're more likely to hear a close friend used to describe these meaningful relationships. It's a versatile phrase that fits well in both formal and informal contexts. For example, you might say, "I talked about it with a close friend," to express that you've shared something significant with someone you trust deeply. Remember, using this term signifies not just any friend, but someone very special to you. Discussing relationships and friendships is a crucial aspect of language learning. It helps us express our feelings and build connections with others. Understanding terms like a close friend or a near friend enables you to convey emotions and relationships more accurately in English. It's not just about vocabulary, it's about sharing parts of your life and your heart with others. We hope this video has shed some light on the beautiful concept of having a close or near friend in English. Remember, friendships are a universal theme, transcending languages and cultures. Being able to express these relationships in English can deeply enrich your conversations and help you form lasting connections. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Keep learning, keep sharing, and cherish those close friends in your life.